Is your plant operating at the peak efficiency or falling behind? Manufacturing is the backbone of innovation and economic growth. But with rapid advancement and increasing global competition, manufacturers face complex challenges, especially those that arise with a gap in technical knowledge. These challenges impact productivity, efficiency, and ultimately the bottom line. Bottlenecks in production, inefficient workflows, quality control issues, and the lack of advanced technology can hold back even the most promising companies. So, how can the manufacturer overcome these issues and thrive in today's competitive landscape? With expert technical consulting. At Madasky Consulting, our technical consultant brings years of industry experience focused on identifying and solving the key issues that hinder the manufacturing success. Let's explore how we help manufacturers tackle these obstacles step by step. First, we begin with the workflow optimization. Inefficient processes lead to wasted time, resources, increased cost. Our consultants analyze each stage of your production process, identify bottlenecks and areas of improvement. Through smart process redesigning, we streamline workflows, reduce downtime, and increase productivity. This means faster turnaround times and more efficient workflows. Now, we focus on technology integration. With advancement in digital tools and IoT, manufacturing has transformed. But without right expertise, many companies struggle to incorporate these technologies efficiently. At Madasky, we guide you through the technology selection process, helping you choose the tools that align with your specific need. By incorporating advanced technologies, we enhance performance and help you to stay competitive in a rapid evolving industry. Automation is the key to modern manufacturing, reducing labor cost, improving precision, and boost output. However, implementing automation can feel overwhelming without the right expertise. Our team works with you to identify a process suited for automation and provide support through the implementation. This approach reduces human error, enhances product consistency, and significant increase in efficiency. In any industry, safety and adherence to the best practices are essential. Our consultants provide guidance in the latest industry standards and safety regulations, helping you to foster the safer, more compliant working environment. By promoting our best practices, we help manufacturers not only improve productivity but also protect their most valuable assets, their people. Through our technical consulting services, Madasky is committed to helping manufacturers overcome industry challenges. We empower you to implement sustainable improvements, boost efficiency, and achieve greater profitability. Want to transform your manufacturing process? Reach out to Madasky Consulting and let's build brighter, more efficient future together.